How you doing, Rain? Wow, nice landing. Grandson. Yeah, 14 years old. Yeah. How was it? Saw you. Really? No kidding, huh? Wow. So were you scared? When I first looked at you, you were way, way up there. It looks like you got some pretty good elevation and lift after you took off.
I just flew out. That's why it looked like I was high.
Oh. Oh, really? Okay.
I didn't want to do my claps. Something happened because I was pulling on the lines trying to get whatever.
Right.